Hey lovelies, happy first Sunday of the year. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your skin with this daily moisturizer. This product has helped my damaged skin and also deeply moisturize my skin. This is the annual Ceramide 3 Plus Paternal Moisturizer Barrier Cream. It's a rich yet not greasy moisturizer created to deeply hydrate and restore skin softness. Infused with a potent blend of ceramide complex and panthenol, also known as pro vitamin B5 and multi-moisturizing actives. This cream works to reinforce the skin natural barrier, lock in moisture and soothe irritation. Ideal for dry, sensitive or compromised skin. Its smooth texture absorbs quickly, leaving a soft, comfortable finish without residue. Apply daily to strengthen resilience and maintain long-lasting hydration. This cream is one of the best Korean products that has helped my skin in getting rid of the redness and also sunburn on my skin. So if you're looking forward to transforming your skin in this new year, do well to get this cream because it's going to help you achieve that. This cream is also going to help deeply hydrate your skin and also glow your skin. So say no to bleaching products and say yes to healthy glow.